Jupiter is the undisputed king of our solar system, a world of extreme physics and violent storms. It is so incredibly massive that it weighs more than twice as much as all other planets combined. To put that true scale into perspective, you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside its volume. Made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium, it shares the exact same chemical composition as our Sun. But it is considered a failed star. It would need to be 75 times larger to ignite nuclear fusion. Despite its massive size, Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet, completing a full day in under 10 hours. This rapid rotation causes extreme centrifugal force, making the planet bulge outward dramatically at its equator. And because it's a giant ball of gas, it experiences differential rotation. The equator spins faster than the poles. Unlike Earth, Jupiter stands almost completely straight up. With an axial tilt of 3 degrees, it has no seasons. The beautiful, colorful bands we see are actually violent atmospheric jet streams whipping around at over 300 miles per hour. Its most famous feature is the Great Red Spot, a high-pressure storm raging for over 300 years. At its widest point, this single swirling vortex is roughly 1.3 times the entire diameter of Earth. Deep within the atmosphere, severe lightning storms zap atmospheric methane gas, turning it into raw carbon soot. As this soot falls, intense pressure turns it into graphite, eventually raining literal diamonds into the planet's depths. But descending further into Jupiter reveals a nightmare of physics. The pressure becomes millions of times greater than Earth's. About halfway to the center, this unimaginable pressure physically crushes the hydrogen gas into a liquid state. The atoms are squeezed so tightly that their electrons are stripped away, creating an ocean of liquid metallic hydrogen. This strange, electrically conductive ocean swirls as the planet spins, acting as a massive planet-sized power generator. This internal dynamo generates a terrifying magnetic field, up to 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. It creates massive radiation belts around the planet, powerful enough to fry modern spacecraft electronics in mere minutes. This magnetic field also funnels charged solar particles into the poles, creating spectacular glowing auroras that never stop. Surrounding the king of planets is a miniature solar system, boasting 95 officially recognized moons in orbit. The 4 largest, discovered by Galileo, are unique worlds. Ganymede is the largest moon in the entire solar system. Ganymede is so incredibly massive it's bigger than the planet Mercury, and it's the only moon with its own magnetic field. Then there is Europa. Beneath its cracked, icy crust lies a massive global ocean of salty liquid water. Because of this hidden, protected ocean, Europa is considered one of the best places to search for extraterrestrial life. On the opposite extreme is Io. Caught in Jupiter's immense gravity, it is the most volcanically active body we know. Io is covered in hundreds of violent volcanoes, constantly spewing plumes of lava dozens of miles into space. Callisto, the outermost Galilean moon, is an ancient, frozen world, holding the record for the most heavily cratered object. Jupiter even has its own ring system. Though incredibly faint, these dark rings are made of microscopic meteor dust. From raining diamonds to metallic oceans, Jupiter is a beautiful, chaotic world that protects the rest of our solar system. If you want to explore more secrets of the cosmos, make sure to hit subscribe and leave a like.